In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use semi-locked camera mode in League of Legends. If you've ever felt torn between keeping your champion centered and wanting a bit more freedom to see what's happening around you, semi-locked mode is a great middle ground. It keeps your camera focused on your champion while letting you nudge the view slightly to gain extra vision without fully unlocking the camera. To get started, log into a game. The practice tool is perfect for this because there's no pressure from teammates, and you can adjust settings at your own pace. Once you've loaded in, open the in-game settings. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon, or by pressing the escape key to bring up the menu. From here, you'll see several categories. We're going to focus on the camera options. Click on the camera section. This is where all the camera behavior settings live, including how tightly the view follows your champion. Look for the option labeled Camera Lock Mode. This menu lets you choose how the camera tracks your champion during play. Go ahead and click it, then select Semi-Locked. Semi-Locked means the camera will still follow your champion, but it gives you a bit of leeway so you can push the view toward the direction you're moving or toward areas you want to keep an eye on. It's especially helpful for tracking enemies just off screen, keeping tabs on jungle entrances, or lining up skill shots without losing sight of your character. Before you leave the settings, make sure to hit Save. This confirms the change and ensures it sticks for future games. With that, you're all set. From now on, as you move around the map, the camera will remain centered on your champion, but allow limited panning so you can see a little further ahead or to the sides. You'll notice fights feel more readable, rotations are easier to plan, and you won't constantly snap the view back if your mouse drifts. If you ever decide you prefer the full control of an unlocked camera or the simplicity of a fully locked one, you can return to this same menu to switch modes. But for many players, semi-locked offers the best of both worlds: stability and awareness. That's all there is to it. Log into a game, open settings, go to camera, choose semi-locked under camera lock mode, and save. Enjoy the smoother, more informative view of the Rift, and good luck in your next match.